Okay, here's another fan that I'm videoing. This is a 1970s EXL box fan by Hunter, which at that time was a division of Robbins Myers. I bought this off eBay a while back, just getting around to showing it. I still have a lot of other fans that I've gotten but haven't shown, so well, I knew I had to get me one of these Hunter 7-wing blade fans to add to my collection. As you can see, it's got the front grille that has the slats in a vertical pattern. And no, not some of them aren't missing, and that's the way it's designed. In fact, it's got them in an asymmetrical pattern. I mean, look. One here, 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 down there. You get the idea. Here's the EXL badge. And you see it's got the blade set with the 7 butter knife style blades and the hub that looks like a jet turbine. A while ago, I took the motor apart to try to oil it, but I couldn't get back together the right way, so I shipped the fan to Val along with the Dayton to see if he could fix it back right, and he did, and well, here it is back with me. We'll have a look around this and we'll fire it up. Oh, and you may recognize this handle. I mean, this is not the fan's original handle. This is the same one I was using on my Super Electric that I found in a parking lot. Well, since I gave that one to Brian, I decided to use it on this fan. See, it's that royal blue color. A lot that all these fans under this brand were. The other side. Here's the back. The back grill still got the normal horizontal design of the slats, and it's got this blank space where a name would go, but it's completely blank. And it's got the Hunter R&M motor. And these Hunter motors are bigger than most usual box fan motors, like say Macmillan. Well, after what I've been through, I don't think I'm ever gonna take this motor apart to oil it again. Hopefully I can oil it from the outside. Just stick my old tube from within and just oil it that way. Here's the top. As I said, it's got that handle I had on the Super Electric, that one I gave to Brian, or Rusty Bearing 45. And there's the 2-speed switch, has the speeds engraved into the frame. And it's got the knob that, like this, it goes into the switch, like that. I kind of do hope to one of these days find one that has these blades in a light blue or kind of a pale blue, and the older style grill design, which is kind of just a vertical version of the back grill. Anyway, here are the speeds. Here's high. And that thing does throw out a lot of wind. It's got 7 blades. I was told by a fellow user, the Fan More Man, that these are more powerful than a lot of standard metal bladed box fans, like say a P23. And it pretty much seems to be it's really throwing out the wind. Back to high. And off. It's got good coast down time and everything. Love the way these blades look when it's coasting down. And there you have it, the EXL by Hunter box fan from the 1970s. Thank you for watching.